about this smoke. I got this.
Hey, look, man. First, I asked you to quiet down. Then you let Coach call with the ball. What the hell your problem, nigga? Nigga, it slipped. Yeah, nigga. It slipped. I asked you to quiet. Y'all little young niggas don't even pay attention, man. You ain't try to? Nigga. Look, young nigga.
Alright, for those who didn't know, he ain't dead. He right there. We just showing y'all what we doing, y'all. Tangerine Cocaine, Six Corner Boys. Coming soon to a theater near you, y'all. We out here wilding out. My ears hurt now. We'll holler. L, a.k.a. Thrill. T-Funk.
T-Funk. Playing the character Rain. I just had to let one go up on him. You know what I'm saying? We do this.
Pause that. We out, y'all.